kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 17, direct in the indirect space. Okay, so let us start now this chapter, kids. How to use the following prepositions? Use pronouns in indirect states. Okay, as yours, we, mine, yours, us, and me. Okay, check it. Learning text stream. There are two ways of the telling what a person has said. Suppose your teacher told you, तुम्हारी टीचर ने तुमसे कहा it to hard work and you want to say it to your friend or anyone else, okay? How would you say these words? These words can be said in two bases. We have no concern with the teacher's speaker, but only with his words which he said. If the actually words said by the teachers, speakers are said, it will be direct speech, and if his words are reported in your words, that will be the indirect speech. Okay? Chale. Now read the following sentences and the just written. The teacher said to me, टीचर ने मुझसे कहा, work hard. Okay, कठिन परिश्रम करो. In the above sentence, the word given in the inverted commas are the actually words said by the teacher. ये actual वो words है जो teacher ने कहा था. If we say the same words are said to be the teachers, it will be direct speech. Okay, जब सीधा teacher ने मुझसे कहा ये शब्द तो इसे कहते हैं हम direct speech. You can say these words in our own words as the teacher advised me to work hard. Number first, above stated words are not the actual words said by the teacher, but these words are said in our own words. It will be indirect speech. Okay? Chale. So we may report the words of a speaker in two ways, is the direct speech and the indirect speech. Direct speech and every direct speech has two parts. Number first, one is outside the inverted comma and the other is within the commas. This is the part outside the inverted commas is called reporting verbs, as we are only concerned with the verse and not the speaker. And the part with the inverted commas is called reported speech. Okay. Chale, what do you mean by reporting verb? It means the reporter who reporters reporting verb plays a dominant role in changing role narration from direct to indirect. Example, he said to me, you are a gentleman. In the above sentences, he says, is the reporting verb while changing the narrations. The verb says this to be taken to change the word or tense of the reported speech, which is enclosed within the inverted commas. Okay? चलिए indirect speech है when speakers actually words are replaced by us in our own words and inverted commas are removed. Then it becomes an indirect speech. Okay? चलिए example है he said to me, I am your friend. This is direct speech as the speaker actually words are there, but by changing its narrations, it becomes. Okay? चलिए. He tells me that he is my friend. It is indirect speech as the actually words have been changed and our own words have been used. But while changing the narrations, pronouns and the verbs are also changed and that is added after removing the inverted comma. Okay? So yeah, different rules are applied when direct speech is changed into indirect speech. Number first है the general rules that govern the conversation are as follow. Change of tense, change of person and change of time and place. Okay? चलिए change of tense है rules of the changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rules first है when the reporting verb is in the present of the future tense, the tense of the verb is in the Reported speech remains unchanged. Okay. चलिए डायरेक्ट है. He said to me, I will come to see you. And or in direct speech, he says to me that she will come to see me. Okay. Next rules 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb is reported speech is changed into the corresponding past tense. Okay. चलिए simple present becomes simple past tense. जैसे डायरेक्ट बोला I said I am unwell. कॉमा और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को हटाकर लगाएंगे हम दैट और लिख देंगे शी सेड दैट. आई चेंज होगा शी से शी वाज अनवेल. नेक्स्ट है एक और गीता से. गीता ने कहा पिंकी लव्स स्वीट्स. फिर से इंटरप्रेट को चेंज करेंगे पास्ट इंटरप्रेट में तो आएगा गीता सेड दैट कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा का दैट पिंकी नो चेंज. लव्स का आएगा लव्ड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट और स्वीट्स. ओके. चलिए प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस चेंज होगा पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस पे. Example है he said I am reading a book. He said that he was. I change होगा he said he was reading a book. Next है she said my brother is writing a letter. तो लिखेंगे she said that her brother was writing a letter. Okay. चलिए present perfect change into past perfect. She said I have passed the examination. She said that she had passed the examination. Next way, he said, comma inverted comma, Anamika has done her work. Or he said that Anamika had done her work. Okay. चलिए present perfect change into continuous change into past perfect continuous है. The boy said to the teacher. बाद में टीचर से कहा we have been doing the practical. So the boys told the teachers that they. We change होगा किससे? बॉयज से. तो बॉयज का बन गया दे हैड बीन डूइंग द प्रैक्टिकल. ओके. चलिए नेक्स्ट है सिंपल पास्ट चेंज इनटू द पास्ट परफेक्ट. ही सेड कमेंटेड कमा द लॉयन डाइड इन द नाइट. तो ही सेड दैट द लॉयन हैड डाइड इन द नाइट. ओके. चलिए पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. अबे said, अबे ने कहा common inverted comma the cat was jumping. लेकिन अबे said that the cat had been jumping. Next है past perfect tense change into past perfect continuous change. Past perfect and past perfect continuous no change. Past perfect and past perfect continuous no change. Okay. चलिए जैसे he said comma inverted comma I had read a book. तो he said that he had read a book. Okay. चलिए चेंज होता है मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज में. चेंज कैसे करना है मॉडल में? जैसे शैल का शुड विल का वुड कैन का वुड में. ओके. जैसे द बॉस सेड यू विल डू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. तो द बॉस सेड दैट यू विल का क्या आएगा? वुड डू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. नेक्स्ट ही सेड कमेंटेड कॉमा आई शैल ट्राई टू हेल्प हर. ही सेड दैट ही शुड ट्राई टू हेल्प हर. चलिए एक्सेप्शन रूल सेकंड है. If the reported speech contains some universal truth or habitual facts, then the simple present remains unchanged. Example है the teacher said comma inverted comma the earth moves around the sun. A teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. Okay. चलिए next है change the pronoun. Pronoun in the reported speech are changed according to the pronouns in the reported verb. Rules first है first person pronoun in the reported speech will be changed according to subject of the reporting verb. Okay. चलिए डायरेक्ट है he says to me. I change हुआ he से क्या बना? He is a boy. Second person pronoun in the reported speech will be changed according to the pronoun in the reporting verb में. Okay. Example है he says to me. Comma inverted comma you are a smart girl. He says to me का है. He says to का लिखेंगे tells. He tells me दैट यू चेंज होगा शी से, सॉरी यू चेंज होगा ऑब्जेक्ट से आई से, आई का बना आर, मी का बना आई, एम आर स्मार्ट गाय। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का रिमेन अनचेंज्ड। थर्ड पर्सन होता है जैसे ग्रे या फिर कोई नाम, जैसे ही आई से मैंने कहा ही इज अ गुड बॉय, तो वह चेंज कैसे होगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा। वाई सेज दैट ही इज अ गुड बॉय। ओके, so remember verb said in the reported speech का will remain unchanged, verb said to be will be changed into told। said तो चेंज नहीं होगा लेकिन said to का told बन जाएगा। next है change the time or place, words showing nearness in time and the place are changed into the words showing distance। read the following का है now का होगा then, this का that, these का those, here becomes there, ago का before, thus का so, today का that day, yesterday का the previous day, the tomorrow का the next day, and last night का the previous night। Okay, check, look at the following sentence है directly Ram said comma inverted comma I am happy here now। तो राम said comma inverted comma का बनेगा that, I से चेंज होगा राम से, he was happy there then। चलिए next rate conversion of the assertive sentence direct into indirect। If there is an object after reporting verb, say or said is changed into told, otherwise remains unchanged, the reported speech starts with the conjunctions that after removing the commas and the inverted mark। Okay, चलिए एग्जाम्पल से डायरेक्टर she said to me I am an astronaut, बनेगा he told me that she was an astronaut। okay, चलिए conversation of the interrogative sentence है there can be two types of questions, double questions है is question beginning with question words like what, who, when, where, etc. yes or no question, that is questions that begins with auxiliary verbs like is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, etc. No conjunction is used when the question is the direct speech start with WH words। okay, चलिए जैसे I said to प्रतिभा where have you been these days, जब हम where WH words आते हैं यही हमारा कंजक्शन बन जाता है, तो हम लगाएंगे सेट टू का बनाएंगे आस्क, आई आस्क प्रतिभा where, और फिर सिंपल सेंटेंस बनेगी यू चेंज होगा प्रतिभा से तो बनेगा शी हैड बीन ऑल दोस डेज। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट इट्स कंजक्शन इफ और वेदर। कंजक्शन इफ और वेदर का यूज करना है जब डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच स्टार्ट विद यस और नो क्वेश्चन से होती है। जैसे डायरेक्ट है नेहा सेड टू निशान, नेहा ने निशान से कहा आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल, तो नेहा सेड टू को बनेगा आस्क निशांत और कंजक्शन लगाएंगे इफ और यू चेंज होगा निशान से तो बनेगा ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्कूल। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट है रिमेंबर्स, इंट्रोड्यूसरी वर्ब इज चेंज्ड टू आस्क, inquiry demands someone other, words having a similar meaning, question mark is removed and full stop is used now। indirect speech है नंबर फर्स्ट है conversation of the imperative sentence, the reporting verb said to the change according to the mode or the sense of the sentence given in the reported speech। if the reporting verb shows है जैसे said to का चेंज होगा ordered में order से, और said to को करेंगे request में और request से चेंज होगा requested में, said to को advise और advised में, और said to का होगा done तो ये होगा forbid में। चलिए रिमेंबर है an imperative sentence the subject is mostly omitted so the reported speech begins with a verb, while changing the speech to is used in spite of any conjunction when the inverted commas are removed। inverted comma के ये हट जाते हैं उसकी जगह to conjunction लगाया जाता है। ओके, एग्जाम्पल है डायरेक्ट द स्टूडेंट सेड टू टीचर प्लीज अलाउ हिम टू कम इन। तो प्लीज आगे रिक्वेस्ट आएगा, द स्टूडेंट रिक्वेस्टेड द टीचर और कॉमा की जगह लगेंगे टू, अलाउ हिम टू कम इन। ओके, चलिए आगे है कन्वर्सेशन टू इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस। द रिपोर्टिंग वर्क सी चेंज इनटू द विश और पे। The operative form of the change into the assertive forms and the conjunctions that is introduced with the reported speech. He said, comment with it, comma, may God bless you. He prayed that God might bless me. Okay? चलिए. Conversation of exclamatory sentence and it departing in the exclamation in the indirect speech, the introductory verbs is changed into exclaim, to cry or some other similar verbs. Explain the words showing exclamation such as alas, hurrah, how, hey are the omitted words. The sign of the exclamation is omitted. Director Rao said, how clever I am. Rao exclaimed that he was very clever. चलिए. Conjunctions and the reporting verb chart for different kinds of sentences. जैसे assertive sentence में आता है conjunction that, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में आता है इफ या वेदर, यस और नो टाइप वाले। उसके अंदर पे इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस में आता है कंजक्शन टू और एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में आता है दैट से जोड़ते हैं। ओके, चलिए चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू एग्जाम। ओके, नाउ किड्स, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood that. Thank you. Have a nice day.